October 23rd, our investigation begins.
Look, buddy, what was your team doing the week of August 16th?
Better not lie to us.
We were hosting a STEM camp,
What is that?
a day camp where we show elementary students STEM-based activities and presentations about our team.
And what was the purpose of organizing and hosting such an event?
To help introduce our young students to activities they might be doing in first.
Checks out.
Why did you send a representative to the Michigan State Capitol?
And national capital.
To advocate for STEM funding.
For those with over $6 million to after-school STEM activities. They were almost cut, so we sent different students to represent the funding.
How'd that end?
Good, the bills are passed and the money is secured.
Keep it professional.
Sorry.
What's your role in all of this?
I plead the fifth. I'm not going to say nothing without my lawyer present.
Dang, he's good.
He indeed was good.
Tell us, what were you doing the night of December 7th?
We're hosting our first monthly BX Big Sisters meet.
Yeah, right. And last year's water game actually had water.
Nuh-uh, you got it all wrong. See, we do this to help our FTC girls connect with our FRC girls so that they'll join the team when they're older.
What made you start doing this?
Well, our percentages of FTC girls joining BX was very low, so we wanted to obviously change that.
And what do you guys do at this Big Sisters?
Listen, all we do is decorate Christmas cookies and have a fun time doing team building activities.
Dang it! We're not getting anywhere with this.
Look, we have noticed, for the past couple of years, your team has been hosting the FTC Bedford qualifier.
You've been hosting big events without being concerned for the less fortunate?
Actually, we have.
For the FTC qualifier, for the past couple of years, we have been putting into play different regulations to make it handicap friendly.
How exactly is it friendly?
Well, for your information, we have implemented different adaptations for different disabilities, such as bump outs on the field.
Do you do anything for kids with hearing disabilities?
In fact, we do. We provide hearing aids and subtitles on our screens to help include them.
Hey boys, we found the perps who put the wrench in the jello.
And just like that, the case was closed.